All right, you got to get fit. Being fat, unfucking acceptable in 2021. If you're fat, you need to get to the gym right now, start exercising, tracking your calories. It is unacceptable to be fat because it is the one thing in the world that you can actually control is your weight and how you look in the gym. Get in there, start exercising, lifting weights, all right? Eating correctly.
So this guy said, being overweight in 2021 is unacceptable. Being overweight in 2021 is unacceptable. That's what's wrong with social media. People that have channels like this get that toxic thing out of their mouth, and then people get to listen to it to think, oh yeah, this is exactly the mentality that I need. When you have kids that are growing up without parents' supervision, they think listening to people like that is exactly how they're supposed to be mentally. For you to have a huge platform and to be using it to say things like that, this is what's wrong with the internet. Gaining weight is something that you can control. We're in the middle of a pandemic. People are losing their jobs. People are losing their family. Lives are being shifted in ways a lot of us never thought possible. But this guy's telling people, 2021, you are not supposed to be overweight. You're not supposed to be gaining weight. You're not supposed to be fat. Last time I checked, the top 3 reasons why people gain weight has absolutely nothing to do with controlling it. It has a lot to do with genetics. It has a lot to do with mental disorders, like going through constant anxiety, being stressful, depression, losing your head over bills, not sleeping well, not doing exactly what you're supposed to do because you're always focused on things that are not even beneficial to you mentally, emotionally, psychologically. It has a lot to do with people using food as a coping mechanism, as them using food as it was a drug, not because they want to, it's because they are going through a lot mentally. But then again, you have people like him going on YouTube and say things like, being overweight in 2021 is unacceptable. That's what's wrong with this social media all over the place situation. That's what's wrong with it. I don't care male or females. I don't care what you're going through. Do not listen to people like this. They'll criticize you when you're overweight. They'll criticize you when you're skinny. They'll criticize you with whatever you do because they just want to say something despite how hurtful it could be to a lot of people. So folks, when you see videos like that, just skip. Skip. Don't even entertain that. Just skip. Because you don't need that type of toxic nonsense in your life, okay? On that note, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.